This is your diamond insight of costly consequences of human rights abuses. As expected, the ongoing compensations of people that were persecuted by state actors would rouse debate that momentarily has masked challenges the nation is enduring. What some quarters of society find unfathomable are the avoidable, despicable human rights abuses committed by the police. Many times, activists warned against arbitrary application of the law that even the Constitution clearly forbids, but some uninformed personnel, under the guise of maintaining law and order, unfairly treated the opposition political parties in the past, and it was the UPND that faced frequent arrests amid untold tales of torture and even deaths of some sympathizers. Without mincing words, the elephant in the room is the police, if not careful now under the very regime it arm-twisted, may repeat the past mistakes because signs are vivid from recent occurrences. Our argument is centered on reforms that far too long stakeholders have made a clarion call to change the mentality in police officers, that they are in a service and not a force. Inasmuch as they are trained to deal with complexities of applying law and order, training camps are the foundations of inculcating human rights principles. Yes, the Public Order Act is a thorny piece of legislation that citizens want repealed. However, in its current form, it should not be the basis to muzzle dissenting voices, because failure to do so is what has led to current costly consent judgments. Indisputably, the hefty compensations awarded to former victims of police brutality were avoidable. And sadly, because the cases were widespread, redress via the courts have become a somewhat cash cow due to the overwhelming evidence. Our take is that we should come up with a law that decisively pins an erring official and others in the chain of command in the security wings to individually be held accountable and responsible of compensating a victim, since the current rush for legal redress is apparently draining the coffers of the treasury in an already troubled economy.